Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you know exactly when we go live and upload any valuable content so that you can watch and better yourself. Now, we're going to be doing the 15 minutes workout challenge that we have going on. It's been an amazing journey thus far. I get many emails every day telling me how helpful this has been for them. And so I want you to take advantage and pursue a better health by applying the 15-minute workout plan. 3 steps, that's what you need. Number 1 is to commit to the 15 minutes per day. Number 2, clean diet. Number 3, take supplements that are natural and organic to help you with step 1 and step 2. I'm going to leave some links below, tools and resources that you can take advantage today and start not only becoming aware of your health conditions and controlling the way you look physically, but also we're going to be giving you valuable content that includes self-development and financial education made simple. You can visit our website. I'm going to leave the link below. You can read one of our ebooks that will help you build passive income, all right? So make sure you stretch. I already did that. We're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to be doing a little bit of chest, and then we're going to go from there. I'm going to lower this down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Remember your breathing, your position, right? Your posture and your technique. The way you control the weight is important. It's not how fast we do it. It's about doing it properly. We're doing 3 sets of everything, so whatever exercise you choose to do, make sure you have 3 sets of those. You can go up on your repetitions or you can keep it the same weight. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you're pushing yourself on each repetition that you perform, okay? It's all about committing to the long term and having it in your life on a daily basis, right? Working out every day. Doesn't matter if you're at the gym, if you're on vacation. You can get down and do some push-ups at home. Okay, start right now. Ready? Second set. Perfect. Ooh. Feels good. Whew, feels amazing. Make sure you check out all the links that we have put below so that you can start building passive income, understanding what are the steps that you need to take in order to have the 4 pillars of a great life, which are health, wealth, love, and happiness. You can't go far without any of them, okay? So we gotta build them simultaneously. Ready, last set of this. See how simple we can get our workout in. All we need is 15 minutes. All right, 2 more sets of these curls right here. These are amazing. This will get your arms and actually your whole core, everything is tied up. You know, I'm doing chest, but chest, either when you do push-ups or bench press, you're still working out a bit of your arms. So that's why I like to do chest and arms together, because it gets me right. You can add anything that you want in between your 15 minutes workout plan, okay? You can mix it up. You can do jumping jacks. You can do a little bit of high knees. You can do burpees. You can do anything, really, that gets your whole body in shape. I'm a living proof that just being active, making sure you're doing it right each single set, regardless of the exercise, is going to be helpful. Okay, last set of curls. That was really good. Let me do some abs. Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead.
What do you mean?
We're working out. Go ahead.
All right. So this ones right here are really good. You can do this. This will help out your shoulders. Ooh. Those are nice. Remember, you can do abs, you can do push-ups, you can do cardio in between your 15 minutes. Okay, we're already at 14 minutes. Let me finish this up right here so that we can move on. Okay, make sure you stretch at the end and also do your cardio. If you don't get it in between 15 minutes, I personally go to the sauna, I get in the swimming pool, I do some laps, right? Or I go out jogging, I get some sun, some walking. Get your cardio in every day. It's going to help you advance health-wise. Is amazing. You'll be surprised how beneficial doing cardio is for your health and also losing all your fat and getting into that 6-pack or 8-pack and to the best shape of your life. All right, so we're gonna be doing about 2 more minutes. I got 2 more sets of these. These are really good for you. I'm already feeling this. Whew. One more set and we're done. Okay. Hope that this has been helpful to you. Make sure you leave us a comment or question. If you have one, we're gonna come back and answer that for you. And join in on our mission, which is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple, providing lucrative opportunities that build passive income and ultimately build true wealth, all right? It's all about reaching financial freedom and then moving into building wealth that you can keep and pass on generation after generation. We're not gonna tell you where to invest in or what to do exactly, but we're gonna give you the education, the tools, the resources so that you can do whatever is necessary for you to reach financial freedom and true wealth. There are 5 asset classes that we can go into, okay? So learn more about us in the link in the description. Last set right here. Ready? Perfect. All right. There you have it. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for watching. We appreciate the subscription. Make sure you give us a like, share this great content with others, and make sure you watch our financial education playlist. We're here to help you with the 4 pillars of life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. If we build them simultaneously, we will have extraordinary life, all right? Giving you the business principles that work in all economies. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. And make sure you stretch and do your cardio. Bye for now.